Okay, Nicholas is making a fire. Wow, cool. All right, guys, welcome to Devil's Pool. Man, so beautiful. Oh man, we can set up over there. Holy. This is Eddie from Off-Road Chef, and my good friend over here is Jose.
Off-Road Chef also.
There you go. And today we're gonna be making
trail taco.
Trail taco. All right.
Ramen.
Recipe for today, and Jose is gonna be the chef.
No, I hope
All
it tastes
right. Okay.
Sauteed mushroom.
There you go. Man, that looks good.
Something. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it works.
That's bad.
Perfect.
Hi. Say hi, Erin.
Hi, Erin. Smile. Jeez.
Say hi, Nicholas.
Hi, Nicholas.
You're the junior chef.
All right. Man, that looks good.
Some shrooms in there.
Shrooms.
Oh my God.
Not those kinds of shrooms. We don't do that here.
Onions.
There you go. Onions.
Wait, everything.
And
No, look.
and he's also gonna make this is chicken carne asada. I mean,
Pork.
pork and
Pork and
chicken, right?
I cheated though. I bought it prepared already.
That's cool. There you go. Check this out. We have our own private
that one is
river.
too big.
There you go.
Got me all wet, Erin.
Hi, Kelly. All right. Hi, Autumn.
Autumn, say hi.
She's enjoying it. All right, having some fun. Nice. Oh my God.
Dude,
So
no
that's
more,
our
no
view.
more big rocks.
Right. All right. Now with the onions too. Sizzling. There you go. Check out the view. Heck yeah! Man, it smells good.
Yeah. These are good tacos.
Wow.
Simple recipe, not complicated.
There you go.
Should be good.
Can't wait, man.
I'm hungry.
Dude, I got so hungry.
Me too.
Man. Those are good trails.
I had a
So
shake.
beautiful, man.
Yeah. Nice scenic.
Drive.
We did the John Bull already this time.
Yeah, I just, you know, relax and sightseeing. Oh, shit. Damn it.
We can do the beep. Hi, Poshisha.
Hi, Autumn.
Hi.
Man, that's good.
No.
Autumn. Autumn.
Just hold on to her.
Stop it. No, because you were injured.
Oh, heck yeah. good.
Oh, thank you.
Oh wow, good job. It's that's dangerous.
Yeah.
There you go.
Another pot over here, okay?
Oh yeah.
That's really good.
All right, this is our chef Nicholas. There you go. Good job, buddy. Wow, sure does smell good. Wow. There you go. Nice. Great job. All right.
I'm going to get like the meat,
Oh,
size of the meat, like getting
cool.
Yeah, good job.
Good job.
Over now. Good job, buddy.
All right.
Good.
Look, Autumn, that's going to give you a nice long stick. Yeah, not that one. That one's not long enough. That is long enough. Autumn, you got to say, well, Aaron, you got to say, you got to tell them thank you. Say thank you. Can I get a long stick? No, man. I want a long stick. What? What do you say, babe?
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, yeah? I'll just open it.
That's a lot of food as it is.
I'm gonna put that. Yeah, 2 o'clock. In a restaurant now. That's right. There you be.
Yes, a rosarita.
Right.
All right, there you go. Yep. All right, check the beets. And we're boiling some water for the ramens. Man, almost done.
Nicholas is making a weapon, honey. He's making a spear.
Good. That's some experience now. Oh my gosh. I've never done like this before. Oh yeah? Yeah. We'll do everything in opposite. Hey! Let's try that. Yeah, try something crazy.
Why did you do that, Aaron?
Guys, I'm trying to show you guys like magic. Wanna see it? You have to find a flat stone like this. Slide in area. So this is a flat stone like this. And you throw it like kind of slide it. Oh, see that? Amazing, Isn't that cool? Take the one more. Take this out. Oh, see? You try it. I'll find you a good one. I'll find you a good one. Right here. This one is good. Check it out. I'll find you a good one. Hey, this one is good. See?
Like this?
Yes. Oh, okay. Just a little bit harder. Oh. That was close.
So these are blues?
No. Mud.
It's very sticky mud.
So can I get mud that deep gets stuck in? Definitely.
Is this good?
Oh yeah.
Okay. This one is shrimp, that one is beef, and this one is beef.
It's dirty, but it's good.
Beef?
Hey, do you want it?
No, I have one over there.
Come on, miss.
Yep. Okay.
Alright.
Thank you, Say, for
No problem.
making this
Thank
view.
you.
So awesome.
Yep.
And we are so hungry. It's just perfect. Thank you very much. Check this out.
You know